Hey Measuring Hero, Jay here. We're back at the customer center in Oberkalken, hanging out with Dominik, just trying to, I guess, help out however I can.
Yeah, we have a new part, it's a prototype,
Yeah.
and we have to measure it, but there's no data.
Okay.
So can you get it from Stefan Huber?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
I know where he is.
Give you the part.
Great. Okay, I'll be
Thank
right
you.
back. Yep. Hey Stefan.
Hey Jay, how are you?
Good. Dominik sent me over to get the drawing for this prototype.
Okay, the drawing. You need a drawing?
Yeah, the drawing.
Okay, I give you the drawing.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Hi Jay, this is Stefan. Sorry, I gave you the wrong version of the drawing. I have the right version here on my desk. Please come back.
Okay. Hey Stefan.
Hey Jay,
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
No problem.
I gave you the wrong version of
Okay.
the drawing. Here's the right one. Sorry about that.
Great.
But you should also take this one
Yeah?
also. Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, we're
All
welcome.
right. Oh, man. All right, Dominik, sorry it took so
Okay.
long. So much has happened. We went back and forth. There's
Thank
the
you.
prototype part.
Okay.
And here is the drawing I
Okay.
got from Stefan.
What did you do to the
I
drawing?
spilled coffee
Oh,
on it,
okay.
sorry.
So-
Okay, so we can begin, yeah?
Stefan only gave you the drawing?
Well, no, he also gave me this. Is that helpful?
It's all that we need.
Oh, really?
Yeah?
But I thought that's just a CAD file. Don't
Yeah, but the tolerances are in the 3D model too.
really?
Don't you know it?
Not really.
It's called PMI.
Okay. Back in my day, we used to have to manually put the tolerance information.
sure? Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Sure. So you just load CD file. You already have the tolerances and the datums.
Wow,
That's your 2D drawing.
wow. It already came. Usually we had to do it manually, and it
Yeah, sure.
was really hard to do. We can program right from here.
We want to do a measuring plan.
Sure.
Okay, so we start. Let's start. So we just create a measurement plan, all PMI.
So when you
And
say
say
all
create.
PMI, it's all features
All
on this
features.
CAD model,
Yeah,
all brought through, and it's programming
itself. Yeah.
And so this coffee spilled drawing is really
We don't
not
need that
necessary.
anymore.
Wow, technology has come a long way.
Yeah.
And in Calypso, then we're able to read this PMI
sure.
information. So all tolerance comes right from the designer
Yeah.
without any issues with manual loading.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. And then because you picked all of them, it's literally Going
finished
through
in, I guess, some seconds.
wow.
Now it's finished. Should I run it?
Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah, if that's all we have to do?
I'll throw that away for you.
Okay, we can do that. All right. For you out there, hope you enjoyed our little look at PMI. I know I learned something. We're going to run this. You don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.